This is the Tesla Model 3, and if your horn stopped working, you may think, okay, there is a fuse for the horn, but no, there is no fuse for the horn. Tesla Model 3 doesn't use any fuses at all, any traditional fuses. It uses e-fuses, electronic fuses, so they will reset over time. And if you have the horn working after 90 minutes, this is what happened. Something happened in the system. The system thought it was a dangerous situation for the horn, and it cut power from the horn. If this happens to you, you're just lucky and the fuse resets itself and you just drive with the horn working. But if the horn still doesn't work, there are two reasons for that. Either this is the steering wheel, horn button, that doesn't work, or it's the horn itself. So how you can check this? The horn doesn't work when you press the button, but it may work when you press the horn button in the application. If this is so, if it works, then the problem is with the button. You need an appointment with the dealership to see what can be done. But if it doesn't work from the application, the problem is in the horn. The horn assembly is actually cheap to install. You may buy it for $100 and install it on your own. There is a Tesla manual, official manual on how you can do this. And also the Tesla mobile service will do it for 20 minutes. So it's not that expensive. And this is the common problem because that horn may be attacked by water and it may develop corrosion. So there are a lot of issues with these horns, especially in earlier model years. This is what you need to know about the horn not working.